guys, good morning. Today is her first. Madison starts preschool today, so this is her lunch. I'm so sad. There's so much emotion going on this morning that I don't even know what to say. But she's gonna have a turkey sandwich on a Hawaiian roll, the leftover turkey from her sandwich, a bursting berry applesauce, and her tortilla chips. She loved these, and I made her a little bit of juice. Hopefully tomorrow I get it together because I'm just not. And then her little lunch bag that I got from this company that sent it to us to review. And then Destiny is having a Hot Pocket mini pretzels, tortilla, applesauce. Jackson's having the same thing, but he's having a pudding. So I will see you guys after school for what she ate. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. So, okay, Destiny, Jackson, happy Monday, if I didn't say that. You're gonna have chicken, what else? Cheese, chipotle mayo. Jackson's gonna have chips, some grapes, a cookie, because I figured they want something sweet afterwards. His pudding. Okay, sorry, that was my alarm going off. His pudding, his spork, and Jackson, go get your lunch bag ready. That's Mr. Jackson. And then this is Destiny. She's gonna have Frito, mandarin orange, a cookie, and the same sandwich. And she chose applesauce for her snack. And I will see you guys after school today for what they ate. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, and Destiny went to a field trip, and I went to Walmart to pick up some Lunchables and stuff for her to take with her. So I just went ahead and got, don't mind the toddler. I went ahead and got the same thing for Jackson, but I didn't record it, so that's why Tuesday's missing. But today is Wednesday, and he's by himself, so I figured I would go ahead and share what he's having today. He's having basically the same thing as Monday. He's having a chicken and cheese chipotle sandwich. It's just bread, chipotle sauce, cheese, and chicken lunch meat on a little roll. And then I gave him some pretzel. I gave him some grapes, 3 little cookies, and then he can have this for his afternoon snack because he does have drama today and he doesn't get out of school until 4. So I packed that. And then this he can have if he gets hungry later on in the day. So he's not going to be having this with his lunch. If he eats all of this and he's still hungry, he can go ahead and have this, or he can save it for his afternoon snack. Anyways, I'll see you guys on either Thursday or after school today. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. My baby comes home today, and I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm late. I'm very late. Jackson's gonna have Lunchable. It's just cracker, cheese, chicken, some cookie. Here's grapes, and his strawberry yogurt, and his spork. Yesterday I gave him his spork, and you guys couldn't tell me that the boy didn't need his spork because he was like, Mommy. He came home. He was like, Mommy, what's this for? I didn't have anything to eat with this, and this is a first. And I was like, what did I give him yesterday? Because I was trying to remember what I gave him, but apparently he didn't need it. So it's kind of weird preparing lunch for one kid. Let's do what he ate for yesterday, because yeah, I was supposed to do it yesterday, but things got a hold of me. He left his pretzel, and he still has that. And then he still has his ice pack. So I will see you guys after school or Friday. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, and my Destiny is back. They're having cheese quesadilla, but I kind of burned the cheese quesadilla, but I'm not wasting it. I kind of picked off all the burnt part. Plus, it tastes better, right? I have some cream cheese here, so they can dip. Buddy, this is cream cheese, okay? You just dip your quesadilla in that. Cracker, fig bar, mandarin orange. Hopefully he can peel it. And then a tube yogurt. And then Destiny's having the exact same thing, except she's having strawberry. This is strawberry. This is blueberry. No, this is blueberry. So that's it. So I will see you guys. I don't know if I'm going to continue these or just put it up just as it's really short. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. I combined last week and this week, so don't be surprised. Don't be alarmed. Today the kids are having, I still haven't picked a name for this sandwich. I have to go through the comments on that video to see who commented first the name. And whatever you name the sandwich, that's what it's going to be. So it's just bread, cheese, and chicken lunch meat. And then I put it in my waffle maker, and I basically melt. It's like a panini. Panini. A grilled cheese? No, it's not a grilled cheese. It can be a grilled cheese because it has more than cheese in there. And then we went to a barn party this weekend, and which was my first barn party, for real, my first barn party. That's why you know I'm no longer a city girl. So we went to the barn party, and they were raffling off food. So I got 5 tickets. So I was walking around, and I was like, what is a socket to me cake? And this guy was looking at me all weird. I was like, I don't care. I want it. I dropped it in there. Sure enough, I won a socket to me cake. And you should see my excitement. I was like, I won a socket to me cake. So I'm gonna that's what the kids are having leftover, because I need to get it out the house because I've been binging on socket to me cake. It's so good, so good. So I'm sending the last bit with the kids. That way I don't have to eat it anymore. And then some cookie, some Cheez-It, a apple, and a pudding, his fork. And then Destiny's having the same exact thing, so I don't have to go over it. No, this is Destiny, this is Jaxson. At first I thought this was Destiny, I don't know why. But blue. You want the blue one or you want the green? You want the green? Okay, so this is Jaxson. So this is Destiny. So we'll see you guys after school today for what they ate. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, and we are having grilled cheese in the waffle situation, I don't know, and oyster cracker for their chicken noodle soup. Ooh, nice and hot. Mandarin orange for Destiny, a blueberry yogurt tube situation, and then Jaxson switched it up. He's having grapes instead of mandarin orange. His grilled cheese, his cracker for his soup, and he's having a strawberry yogurt and his soup and his spork and his cracker. Did I say that? So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. Jaxson has a field trip, so he has a peanut butter sandwich, some fig bars in here, a mandarin orange, and a apple pouch. That way he doesn't have to bring a spoon, and his orange, and I'm gonna send him with the water. And then Missy here has mandarin orange, pretzel, one little fig bar because I couldn't find any more, and that, and then her applesauce. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Hey guys, it is Thursday, and today for lunch we are having, this is me, we're having carrots with ranch and a cupcake because it was Jason Jordan's birthday yesterday, and we're having chips and a lunch bowl with crackers, cheese, and turkey. and I'm having a fruit grain cereal bar. Jackson's having the same thing, and he is having the same snack. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Kids going by so fast. So today the kiddos are having mini bagel bites. They're like pizza bite, but it's on these little bagel, and I just put it in this container right here, which I love these because I don't need the thermos. I just want it to be warm, and this keep it warm, not hot, just warm. He's gonna have a mandarin orange. I got his spork. Even though this is a spoon, I sent his spork with him. I don't know why. He had some chips, and he's gonna grab a water, and that's it. And then this is having the same thing, except she's having a fruit and grain strawberry. She has no fruit, no veggies, but it's okay. They pick their own stuff, so I'm trying to be less, overbearing when it comes to their lunch. So they get to pick whatever they want. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Week is running by so fast. I don't know why. And it's not 22 days until Christmas. Yeah, just FYI. So today the kids are having triple cheese. What are these called? I forgot what they're called. They're like little pizza bite rolled up. I don't know. That's what it's called. I don't want to pronounce anything wrong because people get butthurt. So we have applesauce for Miss Destiny, and then in this little pouch, snack pouch, or this is a sandwich pouch, which is super Velcro. If I can get this open. Wow. Wow. Man. Ooh. I gave her some tortilla bites. Nice and crunchy and a little salty. And then she has her thing. Is that it? I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, veggie. I need to pack her some veggie. And Jackson's having the same. And he's having a fruit and grain strawberry bar. The same thing for him. And I need to pack something else. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another week of lunch video. Today, Destiny and Jackson is having Hot Pockets. So this is the steak and cheese Hot Pocket. This is the first time for me. So I don't know if it's going to be soggy. I left it in the container, and I also let it cool down before I'm going to put the cover on here. They have some original chips, some carrot and blue cheese. Jackson opted for a mandarin orange in this little juice situation, and I gave him his spoon. I can't find his fork. I don't know what happened to all my sporks. I only have all these tiny little situation right here. That's a pink one. I don't want a pink one. Oh, it's dirty. Okay, and then Destiny's having the same exact thing, except she's having a fruit and grain cereal bar. This is a strawberry kind to get these from Walmart. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.